you're a fan of doing embroidery on stretch fabrics, knits, or spandex, you know how difficult these fabrics can be to work with. But the right tools make all the difference. WonderFil's Stretch Guard is the perfect solution for embroidering on difficult, stretchy fabrics. Stretch Guard is a part of our brand new line of creative mediums, which features 7 unique products designed to enhance the process and finished results of machine embroidery, appliqué, freestanding lace, and more. Stretch Guard was designed to keep your embroidery projects pristine and wrinkle-free by instantly creating a supportive woven backing that delivers structure to your fabric while still offering freedom of motion as you stitch. It is extremely handy, especially when working with stretchy fabrics like spandex or knits. Stretch Guard is also soft and skin-friendly, making it the perfect option when embroidering on garments. Using Stretch Guard is extremely easy. Start by cutting a length of Stretch Guard that is the correct size for the design you are working on. Then lay the Stretch Guard down onto the wrong side of your fabric and iron it into place. For denser designs, we recommend using Stretch Guard in tandem with our other creative medium, Total Support. This offers extra stability when needed. Now you can stitch out your design as usual. Stretch Guard adds structure to difficult to work with fabrics, helping to reduce puckering, wrinkles, and other issues that commonly arise when working with stretchy fabrics. Once you finish stitching out your design, you can trim down the excess Stretch Guard. But don't worry, it's made to be soft to the touch and skin-friendly, so it's still comfortable when used in garments. And it helps to increase the lifespan of embroidery designs by offering permanent support after stitching. If you're interested in the other products in our Creative Mediums line, be sure to check out our Creative Mediums video playlist to learn more about these brand new products. Follow the link in the description box below.
Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great tips, tricks, and tutorials. You can also sign up for our weekly newsletter to get the first look at free projects, sewing tips, and inspiring tutorials delivered right to your inbox. Check out the description box below to sign up, as well as find a list of stores and retailers that you can purchase WonderFil threads from in your country.